welcome to my Friday tip of the week. This week I wanted to show you that ice cream scoopers can have many different uses. So here I'm making meatballs tonight and I want them to be the same size. So I have my ice cream scooper and then I'll just put my meat in there. See how it makes the perfect little ball. And this way you're sure to have like meatballs that are all going to be the same size. See, here I have a few. So I have another size that I use for cookie dough. So here I have my cookie dough in my jar and then I just scoop it directly on the baking sheet and see how it makes perfectly round shape little cookie doughs, and then I'll just put it in the oven and my cookies will be the same. I have an even bigger one that I use for pancakes or muffins, cupcakes or anything like that. It's just so easy and it's less messy than just using a spoon. So there you go. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye guys!